Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change background or desktop wallpaper on LENOVO Legion GO S. So to start, you will need to open the desktop environment through launching the Steam menu, either by touchscreen or the dedicated hardware button, then opening Popper options and selecting switch to desktop. Now allow a few seconds for the switch to, occur. Here, open the startup and go into the settings, system settings. Now among available categories, search for the wallpaper, and here you have it. Now you can change the wallpaper as you please. Once the preferred image is selected, do not forget to click apply, of course. Here you can also change the wallpaper type between plain color, image, slideshow, and whatever those two are. I'm too afraid to even pronounce those words since I'll know for certain I'll butcher them. You can also get new plugins, but that's an advanced stuff, and change the positioning of your wallpaper, as you can see. Do not forget to click apply once the preferred image is selected, and that's how you generally switch the desktop background image on this device. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.